Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I'm here with my Birchbox for November. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. As soon as I get my foot surgery / rehab resolved, I'll be able to put up more videos. So anyway, I am expecting my Allure Beauty Box as well. That should be coming. The Birchbox usually comes first, and then I get the Allure box. Okay, so what's in here? Let's see. There's one full-size thing in here, and it is the Birchbox Jade Roller, full-size, $12. Okay, so I was not thrilled about this box. I did pick this, and I have to open it in order to really see it, and I'll give you more information on it. It does feel like a full-size thing. It's called, no, can't be. It says full-size $20. That's what the full-size price is. So there must be a bigger one of these that you can get. So I'm going to open up. There's the Jade Rollers inside that Birchbox box, and I have a couple of samples. Amica, I'm always happy to see in my box. I am going to open this because I am really loving cream products, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that was a disaster. I opened it up and the thing fell out onto the floor. It's a shame because it's a really pretty color. I'll be writing to Birchbox to have them replace that for me. If they've run out, then I will insist that they replace something out with it, something else of equal value. So, yeah, I'm very disappointed about that. It was like not sitting in the bottom properly. When I took the cap off, it just fell right out of the container. So anyway, I'll let you know how that works out with Birchbox. The other thing that needed to be unwrapped is their Jade Roller, which it's a little tiny thing, which I don't have a problem with that. I don't know if it's real jade or not. It feels like it is because it feels cold to the touch. So, I'll be checking that out. I already have a quartz roller that I don't use that often, but it's always good. Jade is supposed to have magical properties, so maybe this will be a good luck thing. So anyway, then there are 3 travel size items in here. One is, how many times have I gotten this works and told you guys this does not work? I'll try it again. I'll spray my pillow and do all that stuff. Maybe if it's enrobed in plastic, yeah, it is. So maybe I'll put it in the giveaway. I don't think this stuff works. Some people swear by it, but I don't think so. Anyway, then there is this all-in-one egg mellow cream. Anyway, it's a face cream, and I'll let you guys know a little bit more about them. I'm still in shock over that thing. But anyway, I'm thrilled to have that. I'm always happy to have that. Anything by Amica, which is my favorite, one of my favorite hair brands, especially their dry shampoos. So anyway, here's the card. I'm going to read from it. It says, Amica Supernova Moisturizing Styling Cream. Full size for this is $25. This is actually a pretty good size. It's 0.67 ounces. So it's almost a full ounce, which does make it a travel size, not a sample size. So yeah, it's cool. I like that. Anything that banishes the frizz is good for me. The Birchbox Roller is $12. They call it a Jade Roller, so hopefully it really is jade. Then This Works pillow spray. I'm not going to even go into this. This I know It's, oh wow, $29. That's ridiculous. Full size is $29. This is 0.17 ounces. So this is really a sample, but it'll last for a couple of sprays. So I will give that away. Let's see. Too Cool for School is the brand on this, and it's Egg Mellow Cream All-in-One Firming Moisturizer. So it's pretty good. Full size is $36, and this one is 0.35 ounces. So it's a third of an ounce. I do like everything that I got in the box, with the exception of the thing that fell apart as soon as I opened it. But yeah, I'm very happy with everything else. I still think they could do better, considering that they raised the price from $10 to $15 with a lot of glorious promises. And so far, I've only seen it occasionally that they've kept their promise. So yeah, I know that's $20 Jade Roller. I don't know if it's really worth $20 to me. Or anyone for that matter. It does seem to be pretty nicely made. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you got. Like, did you get any of the same items that I got? You know, did you get the Jade Roller? What do you think about it? And that's it. This is all travel size and a sample size. I think they can do better than this. Having raised their price from $10 to $15, I'm not impressed. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.